Does the constant ringing in your ears feel like it's taking over your life? Imagine waking up to silence and feeling in control again. In this video, I'll share my honest results after trying Zen Cortex for tinnitus relief. Is it the solution you've been looking for? Stay tuned. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I talk about health and wellness solutions that truly make a difference. Today, we're diving into Zen Cortex, a supplement that's gaining a lot of attention for its ability to help with tinnitus. If you're tired of the constant buzzing, ringing, or hissing, keep watching. I'll share what worked for me, how Zen Cortex helped, and whether it could be the answer for you too. Living with tinnitus isn't just frustrating, it's exhausting. The constant noise in your ears can make it hard to concentrate, enjoy moments of peace, or even get a good night's sleep. I've been there. At one point, it felt like I'd try everything: white noise machines, special diets, you name it, but nothing seemed to work. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with tinnitus every day, and many are left feeling hopeless. But what if there was a way to manage it naturally? That's where Zen Cortex comes in. Zen Cortex isn't just another quick fix, it's a supplement designed to target tinnitus at its root. Made with natural, clinically studied ingredients, it works to improve blood flow to the auditory system, reduce inflammation, and support overall brain health. Graphic on screen. Key benefits of Zen Cortex: improves blood flow to reduce your ringing, reduces inflammation, a key cause of tinnitus, boosts brain health for better focus and mental clarity. What sets Zen Cortex apart is its holistic approach. It doesn't just mask the symptoms, it helps your body heal and adapt so you can find lasting relief. After using Zen Cortex for a few weeks, I started noticing real changes. The ringing in my ears became less intense, and my sleep improved dramatically. I could finally focus at work without distractions, and my overall stress levels dropped. It wasn't an overnight fix, but the results were worth the wait. If you're ready to take control of your tinnitus and reclaim your peace, Zen Cortex might be the solution for you. Click the link in the description to learn more and see if it's the right fit for your needs. Don't let tinnitus hold you back any longer. Take the first step toward relief today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might be struggling with tinnitus. And if you've tried Zen Cortex or have questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.